Hello, Mario. As I was working through the other doors, I realised that one of the little closet doors might be a little bit tricky and need some skills that we haven't possibly gone through just yet. Um, so we've got to find our drawing somewhere. It's not it there. This is it here. Okay, and it came to that the little doors up here with the little curve like that might be a little bit tricky, and it would help to have them at a excuse me, at a particular angle, and the angle that occurs to me is 30 degrees. Now you'll recall that I set out, I work in bearings, so I know that 0 degrees is up there. So if I want to be at 30 degrees to that, I'm going to have a bearing of about 60 degrees. So this is one of many ways of doing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm in the doors thingamabob there. So I'm just going to draw a line up here. And if I want it to be at 60 degrees, I'll just turn the ortho off there. And I'm just going to go Shift, caret, which is the less than sign. As you can see down here in the command line, Shift, caret, and I'm just going to go 60 degrees and push enter, and you'll see that that gives me an override there. That gives me the override, like that, the angle override. And then I'm just going to put in there 610, which is my length of my door. And yeah, that's going to go in there like that. Then I'm going to somehow, I wanted to come at right angles to that. But what I'll do is I'll put that in there like that, and then I'll just go offset enter 50, which is the width of my door, and like that there, and that'll give me a 50 offset, and then I can just draw lines at each end because I know that the offset will be exactly parallel, and do a line there like so. And if we just want to check that out, we can see that that should be 610. It is. Okay, and then we just draw a circle from the hinge like that there through to there. That's where it's going to go, and then just do some trim TR. So I'll just trim TR enter. So I'll just trim out a little bit there, trim out a little bit there, and then just delete the rest. Cool, and that's my little 610 wardrobe door. Let's just now let's go into here and insert, create a block, and this is going to be the door, a 610 door. Okay, the pick point will always be the hinge. I find that's the best. Let's select some objects, which is always there like that. Just make sure you select them all. Select those objects, and let's go enter. At this stage they're in the doors layer, and I actually wanted them to be in the layer 0. So what I'll do is I'll convert them to a block. So that's okay, that's in there, and then I'll go in and edit the block. Just edit the block. Okay, edit the block. That's it there. I'm just going to select everything in the block editing there. That green is a bit difficult to see, and I'm just going to change that layer in there to 0, so that all my blocks are in layer 0. So when they go into a layer, any layer, because they're in layer 0, they'll assume the properties of that layer. So there you are, we've got layer 0 as magenta. Close the block editor. Yes, I want to save the changes, and there you go. It's all good in there. And there it is in the doors layer, and that's our little 610 door there. You can see all those little lines through there. That's from some stuff that was going on. Sometimes you get that just if you push RE for regenerate, it just redraws, and that I was hoping that would do it, but it doesn't seem to want to do it. I don't know why it's got those funny little chunky little lines in there. We'll have to see what transpires with that. I don't know. Okay, and let's just try this one out. So we've got a 610 over in this wardrobe here. So let's just oh, I might just do an edit there. Yeah. Okay. And just get rid of that there. Yeah, it's just the way it's drawn. Maybe it should have it 60 degrees. Yeah, 60 degrees. Yeah, and these end ones should be 60 plus 90, which should, that one there should be 150. Yeah, all good. And it should be 50 mils as well. Cool. Okay, so let's close the block editor, and it's all right. Yep. Okay, that's it. So let's put some. Oh no, that's all good. Right, insert. Let's put in a 610 door. 610 door, and oh, where do we want the hinge for that? Oh yes, that's where we want the hinge for that there. And then we're going to rotate it a little bit. Just right click, rotate on the hinge, and just pull it back to there really. Turn ortho on so that we get, that's better. And there's our little 610 door in there, and there's plenty others we could try. Let's see if we can try one in here. So that's just insert the 610 door, and we want to hinge it about, oh yeah, we want that one there. Okay, so this one here, we probably need to mirror this one, so let's just, I don't think I can home mirror, so let's just put that, let's just click that for the mirroring, and then we want to know where the mirror line, which is, I think it's about there, like that. Yeah, that's it there. And do you want to delete? Yeah, we want to delete that, and then we've got to rotate this back into place. Rotate again, select the, boom, all done. And there's our little 610 door. Okay, so something odd going on. No. So anytime you see something odd or things like that, I think you've sort of got to check it out, because it's a continual process of just getting things right. So yeah, I can put another 610 door there, insert the old 610 door. Where do we want the thing for that? Oh, that's going to be a nice little easy one, no sweat. Okay, and yeah, so that's getting all our doors in. I'll finish that up in the break between the two, and I'll also just draw that one up there. I think unless there's something comes up while I'm doing that, and then I can do another video, and then we'll once we've got the doors all done, we'll possibly move on and perhaps have a look at getting some of the furniture in. I think is probably the next step, or either that, or we'll be looking at putting the cavity in the brick is probably the best thing. Cavity in the brick, then get the roof lines in, and then we can start, getting the furniture in. It probably doesn't, make too much sense putting the furniture in if you haven't got a roof on. Okay, all good. Cheers. See you.